Hello, good morning and welcome to Richard's Home Mechanics channel, the channel dedicated to the home mechanic just like me. My latest project is a little mini quad. This will be an ideal project for someone who wants to start learning to get on the tools. You've got no four strokes, so you've got no cams, no timing, no cam chain to set up. It's a really good project. This is just a trailer to introduce to you this little quad and what we're going to go through doing with it. It's been bought as a non-starter. I know nothing about it, so I am starting at the bottom and we will work our way through from spark, combustion and fuel, and we'll see how we go. So completely, I'm in the dark. I don't know what's wrong with it. Let's go and have a look, shall we? Right, this is the quad we're going to be working on. It's a really, I can't stress, a really good starter for someone who's learning on the tools. It's a really good project to do. I picked this off of eBay for not a lot of money. For what you get is quite a bit. And believe me, as my neighbours know and people who've seen my YouTube videos, I will ride it. I will build it, I will repair it, and I will ride it to prove it works. Even the size of me, I'll be on riding that. What we're going to do on this is we are going to go right back to basics, and I think on this project we are going to go stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 5, etc. And on some of them stages we have to start somewhere. So what we're going to start, is there a spark? That's stage 1. Is there compression? That's stage 2. Once we've got that out of the way, there's on a 2-stroke there is not a lot else. It's going to be fuel. So we are going to go through spark plug, is it sparking, compression and fuel. While we've got the spark plug out, before we do the compression test, I will turn the fuel on and just give it a quick few pulls over. And if we get no fuel in the spark plug, pretty certain that it's going to be a problem with these carbs. I think the issue with this is it's been put away after use. I have mentioned in my other videos, any small engine, especially an engine that takes 2-stroke oil, when you finish with them for the season, whether it's a quad, a mower, a strimmer, you must drain the fuel out. What happens is it crystallizes, it goes like a wax, and it blocks the carburetor up, so you have to take the carb. So I'm edging on the side. I think the issue is going to be with the carburetor, but we will test and confirm that. So if you're going to watch me, please follow me on YouTube. I will be uplifting it onto YouTube, and it's going to be on Richard's Home Mechanics. Don't forget that. Search on YouTube, Richard's Home Mechanics. Tell your friends who like the sort of stuff I do. I do this, I enjoy doing it, but also I'm trying to encourage youngsters from apprentices up to my age and older to get back on the tools. Buy a project, take it apart, repair it and enjoy it. That's what it's all about. That's what life's about. Anyway, I will see you on the video which will be uplifted very soon, and we will be starting to work on this little quad. So please enjoy and follow me and subscribe on YouTube if you'd like to. Richard's Home Mechanics. I'll be there. See you on the video on the little quad. Take care, and may I thank you from my heart for watching my videos and taking the time to actually subscribe. Thank you very much. Catch you soon.